They assured me this wouldn't disrupt business. Look at this chaos. This is completely unacceptable.
Are you planning to relocate your office but worried about the staggering cost and unreliable movers? Don't stress. There's only one solution for your worry-free move: Baxter Shipping.
We get it, relocating a workspace can feel stressful. That's why Baxter Shipping is here to help. We provide complete office relocation services. First, we professionally pack and label everything so nothing gets lost along the way. We'll dismantle all your office furniture and reassemble it perfectly in your new workspace. Workstations, desks, and shelves are safely taken apart and expertly set up again in the new location. Your IT equipment? Don't worry, we handle computers and electronics with extra care. And with our secure transportation, your items travel safely and arrive right on time. Computers, servers, and sensitive devices are protected with special care to avoid damage or data loss. Stay updated at every step with our fully tracked vehicles. From pickup to setup, we handle it all with door-to-door service. Best of all, we complete your move with minimal downtime, so your business keeps running smoothly. Ready for a stress-free office move? Choose Baxter Shipping, your business relocation, done right. For inquiries, bookings, or relocation assistance, contact us today. We're here to make your move simple and stress-free.